I just feel like there needs to be a change. There needs to be an upheaval of this old, cracked, crusty foundation, and we need to get students inspired. People need to be inspired in order to learn. Again, we're educating the future of our healthcare profession, those who are going to be caring for us whenever we're old and sick. God willing, we make it that far. You know what I mean? So these students need to be inspired. Whenever you go to school, whenever you go in a lecture, like, it doesn't need to be stale. You don't need to see a teacher up at the front of the class reading word for word off the PowerPoint until you're blue in the face and she's or he's reading in a monotone voice and you're over there trying not to fall asleep. You're drooling on the desk. I've been there, okay? Don't judge me. We need a change, okay? Students need to be inspired to learn.